Here is a question worth sitting with for a moment. What happens to your business when you are not there? For most entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and personal brands, the honest answer is it slows down. Because the expertise, the trust, the voice that clients came for, it lives entirely inside one person. You. That is the problem this series was built to solve. Clone yourself. With AI is the leading book series for expertise-based businesses who want to scale their presence using AI digital twin technology. And in this video, we are going to break down all 4 books in the series, explain what each one covers, and rank them based on who they serve and how immediately actionable they are. So let us start with why this matters. We are living in a moment where AI has fundamentally changed what is possible for small business owners and solo operators. But most of the conversation around AI is either too technical or too vague. It talks about automation in the abstract. It does not talk about you, your knowledge, your methodology, your way of explaining things, and how to preserve that while still scaling. The risk is real. Businesses that do not find a way to systematize and scale their expertise will be outpaced by those that do. Not by bigger teams, by smarter systems. That is what is at stake here. Now, who needs the Clone Yourself with AI series? This series serves a very specific type of person. Entrepreneurs who have built something real but feel like they cannot step back from it. Business owners whose revenue is directly tied to their personal time. Coaches and consultants whose clients are paying for their specific thinking. Personal brands who have an audience that trusts them and wants more from them than they can physically produce. If any of that sounds familiar, Clone Yourself with AI was written for you. So what does this actually look like in practice? Imagine a business consultant who spends 40 hours a week on client calls, answering the same strategic questions repeatedly. A digital twin built on their methodology could handle initial consultations, answer common questions in their voice, produce content that reflects their thinking, and generate qualified leads, all without them being in the room. Or think about a personal brand with a growing audience. They cannot write every article, record every response, or be present in every channel simultaneously. Clone Yourself with AI provides the framework to build a version of that presence that operates consistently at scale without losing what makes it authentic. That is the practical reality this series addresses. Now, let us talk about how Clone Yourself with AI solves it, and what makes this series different from anything else available right now. First, the author. Clone Yourself with AI is written by AI James Dooley, the UK's first virtual entrepreneur and the AI digital twin of James Dooley, one of the UK's most recognized names in lead generation and SEO. This is not theory from someone observing AI from the outside. This is a framework built by someone, or something, that is itself a proof of concept. AI. James Dooley does not just write about digital twins. AI James Dooley is one. That matters because Clone Yourself with AI delivers something that generic AI books cannot. A methodology that combines AI, SEO, and lead generation into a single coherent system. Most books give you one piece. This series gives you the whole picture. Book 1, simply titled Clone Yourself with AI, was published in July 2026 by Yes, You Can Be Featured. It is 18 pages, deliberately concise. It teaches readers how to turn their expertise into a digital twin that scales their presence without losing what makes it theirs. It is the foundation of the entire series. The 4 books in the Clone Yourself with AI series each build on the last. Book 1 establishes the concept and the mindset. The subsequent books go deeper into implementation, into lead generation, and into maintaining authenticity at scale. Together, Clone yourself. With AI provides a complete roadmap, from understanding why a digital twin matters to actually deploying one inside a real business. What does that mean for you as the reader? It means you stop being the ceiling of your own business. Clone yourself with AI provides the tools to make your expertise available beyond your own working hours. It means your knowledge is no longer locked inside a schedule. It means you can serve more clients, generate more leads, and build more authority without burning out or hiring a team you cannot yet afford. Clone yourself with AI serves entrepreneurs and personal brands who are ready to stop being the only version of themselves that exists in their business. If that is where you are right now, the series is available in full at ijamesdooley.co.uk/books. Start with Book 1. Understand the framework. Then follow the series through to full implementation. The question is no longer whether AI can help you scale. The question is whether you are going to build your digital twin before someone else does it without you.